Hi guys, you are all welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abdulatif Ismaila. I'm so excited to embark on this journey with you guys. Here on my YouTube channel, I'm going to be providing you valuable information, insights which will help you to navigate through various aspects of your academic journey. Here on my YouTube channel, I will be sharing with you helpful video content on topics like JAMB, WAEC, NECO, NAPTEP, and video tutorial content on various subjects like mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, and others. Whether you are a secondary school student or university student, here on this my YouTube channel, I have got you covered. Do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can be the first person to view my video whenever I upload. Thank you very much.